Hi friends, this is Rajeshwar Rayapati and welcome back to my channel Rayapati. I like to thank all my subscribers which helped me cross this 1000 subscribers mark. Thanks a lot. And in my channel, the Telegram channel Rayapati YouTube channel, Mr. Sankal has posted a scenario where he's saying that he have a dimension which is contains like student names. In Superstore, we can consider this as customer name and related other dimensions for that like roll number, total marks, everything. Now he's planning to categorize student names into different buckets starting from A to Z. Okay, what he means to say is all students from starting whose name is starting with A should be in one bucket and B with another bucket and so on. So when the end user will select anything here in this bucket, see here it is like you have A, B, C, D till Z here. If someone selects on A, here down only the names of all those students whose name is starting with A should appear. And when someone clicks on the any name, the are like here Ajay, the details of Ajay should be visible. Like see the data of the Ajay should be visible. So this is what Sankalp was asking about. Now if I go into my dashboard, now if you see here, now when I click on anything, I'm clicking on H. You can only see the customers with the name starting with H. And when I select on any of the customers, you can see only the data related to that customer. So how did I achieve this? Now first, as he told in his, let me close this. Yeah, as he told in his thing that he need to bucket the like here customer names based on their alphabet, the starting alphabet, right? Now here, sorry, let me get into here. Now I'm writing a calculated field. Okay. Now for this, I'd like to name it as first letter bucket. Okay. Here I'll write to like left of, okay, customer name comma 1. What will this give me? This will give me the first letter of every customer. Okay, now let me you have a clarity, right? What does left to do? In the total string called customer, it will only take first letter and give it to me, right? Let me drag my first letter to rows, then you will get a clarity. See, it is getting all the first letters. So my customers are from A to Z. Okay, now we got this, but again we are seeing this, right? We don't want this to come, and this is a simple, there is a simple funda for that. There is this blank. Let me search for blank. Yeah, see, this is a very simple calculated field with single quotes with space in it. Just to remove this ABC that is showing, I'm just dragging this to text. Okay, now I am going into another sheet. Now the total logic lies in here, guys, and the other is simple. I'm just dragging my customer name to the text. Okay, and finally here in another sheet, I'm dragging my customer name and then order ID, add all members, and then sales that is present here. Okay, now let me create a dashboard, and I like to go for the containers vertical and then vertical, and finally one more. Yeah, so in this I would like to drag this sheet 4. Okay, let me go to sheet 4 and let me swap. I want it horizontally. Let me go to my dashboard 3 and let me hide this hide title, and also I want to hide. Okay, now we have this line. So if you don't want that line to come, then okay, we'll see it in the later stages. I'm just let me adjust my dashboard first. So this is my dashboard, and then the sheet 5 will come in here. Okay, now let me fit view, entire view, and even in here I want to fit entire view, so that all my A to Z will come in one go. Okay, now then I'll drag my sheet 6 here, which is showing me the customer wise order details and sales. Now yeah, see, I'm not going very much detailed, and I'm not going to create a beautiful dashboard. To some extent I created it here, so you can and again guys, whatever the workbooks that you are looking at there, these workbooks are present in this Tableau public profile of mine. Okay, let it open. This is my Tableau public profile, so you can find them in here if you want a hands-on on the workbooks. Okay, let me get back. So sorry for detouring, but yeah, here we have our name, this bucket, and the customer name, and then the set. I just want to hide these titles. It's a bit distracting. Hide the titles, and then okay, sorry for that. And then let me what do we do next? We need to add actions. So let me go to actions, add action. Now I'm going to I like to add filter action. When they select on this, the filter should happen in this sheet, right? On the alphabet. This is my bucket. Whenever someone selects on this alphabet, the related only customer starting with C should come. So here my target sheet will be 5, and select and show all values. Okay. Again, I need to add another action, like when whatever the customer is selected here, his details should come, right? So it will be 5 here, sheet 5, which is this sheet, and then here it will be sheet 6, and again select, show all values, okay, and then click on OK. Now see, I have my all my customers within these buckets. I'm clicking on M. Now you can see only the customers whose name is starting with M is coming here, and I'm clicking on Max Ludwig, and when I click on him, we are getting all the details about that customers. Okay, this is the scenario, guys, and in the coming videos, I'm trying to plan that duration, right? Duration between 2 days, how many days and hours and months and minutes and seconds. I'm planning that video also. Okay, so this is for this video, guys, and thanks for watching. Please do like, subscribe, and share my channel Rai Party, and share it with among your friends who are working on Tableau and are looking for support as they are stuck at some point. Okay, hope you like this video, and once again I thank a lot for all those subscribers who helped me achieve this 1000 subscribers mark. And also, if you want, you can follow my Tableau public, so that whenever even if I solve something which I don't make a video, I will make them available in my this Tableau public profile. So some unique solutions or something. So if you can follow this also, it will be helpful for you, so that whenever I upload any workbook, you will get an intimation. Okay, thank you guys. Thanks a lot.